Sciatica, causes and symptoms. Sciatica is the name given to pain caused by irritation of the sciatic nerve. Anything that irritates this nerve can cause pain, ranging from mild to severe. Sciatica is usually caused by a compressed nerve in the lower spine. Often, the term sciatica is confused with general back pain. However, sciatica is not just limited to the back. The sciatic nerve is the longest and widest nerve in the human body. It runs from the lower back through the buttocks and down the legs, ending just below the knee. This nerve controls several muscles in the lower legs and supplies sensation to the skin of the foot and the majority of the lower leg. Sciatica is not a condition, but rather a symptom of another problem involving the sciatic nerve. Some experts estimate that up to 40% of people will experience sciatica at least once in their life. Symptoms of sciatica. The main symptom is a shooting pain anywhere along the sciatic nerve, from the lower back through the buttock and down the back of either leg. Other common symptoms of sciatica include numbness in the leg along the nerve, tingling sensation, pins and needles in the feet and toes. This pain can range in severity and may be aggravated by sitting for long periods. Causes of sciatica. Sciatica is a common symptom of several different medical conditions. However, an estimated 90% of cases are due to a herniated or slipped disc. The spinal column is made up of three parts: vertebra, individual bones in the spine that protect underlying nerves, and disc. Discs are made of cartilage, which is a strong and resilient material. The cartilage acts as a cushion between each vertebra and allows the spine to be flexible. A herniated disc occurs when a disc is pushed out of place, putting pressure on the sciatic nerve. Lumbar spinal stenosis, narrowing of the spinal cord in the lower back. Spondylolisthesis, a condition where a disc slips forward over the vertebra below it. Tumors within the spine. This may compress the root of the sciatic nerve. Infection, ultimately affecting the spine. Other causes, for instance, injury within the spine. Cauda equina syndrome, a rare but serious condition that affects the nerves in the lower back of the spinal cord. It requires immediate medical attention. In many cases of sciatica, there is no single obvious cause. Risk factors for sciatic nerve pain. Common risk factors include age. People in their 30s and 40s have a high risk of developing sciatica. Profession. Jobs that require lifting heavy loads for long periods. Sedentary lifestyle. People who sit for long periods and are physically inactive are more likely to develop sciatica compared with active people. Pregnancy. Although sciatica-like pain can be a problem during pregnancy, an estimated 50 to 80% of women have back pain during pregnancy. Hormones produced during pregnancy, such as relaxin, cause ligaments to loosen up and stretch, which can potentially cause back pain in some women. However, sciatica due to a herniated disc is no more likely during pregnancy. How is sciatica diagnosed? If the symptoms of sciatica are mild and do not last longer than 4 to 8 weeks, it is probably acute sciatica, and medical attention is not usually necessary. A complete medical history may help speed up the diagnosis. Doctors will also have the individual perform basic exercises that stretch the sciatic nerves. A shooting pain down the leg while performing these exercises usually indicates sciatica. If pain persists for more than 4 to 8 weeks, imaging tests such as an X-ray or MRI may be necessary to help identify what is compressing the sciatic nerve and causing the symptoms. Prevention of sciatica. In some cases, sciatica can be prevented. There are several lifestyle changes that can reduce the chances of developing it, including regular exercise and making sure proper posture is used when standing, sitting upright, and lifting objects. In most cases, sciatica will go away on its own. In the vast majority of cases, surgery is not needed. Around half of people will recover within 6 weeks.